there are some freshers for them. Basics of Power BI is required. We will cover the Power BI, but I don't know the Power BI. Some other trainer will take the Power BI for 1 week, right? That is what we are going to cover in the course, right? And we have always mentor is there. Okay, for mentors we have okay. For the mentors, we will cover. I mean, we have mentors. They will cover about the projects and all. Even if you have a doubt, also I will be available in the WhatsApp group. In case you are busy, mentors one-on-one they will connect you. They can help you. Even yesterday, few of them who are facing issue with the SQL installation, he has helped, right? And we also have a job-oriented program for the freshers. Basically, what are the skills we said will cover? We'll provide the internships and the project. We'll also cover the hackathons, right? For the job search and weekly 3 days, we have placement cell session. There we can guide you. I think it is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We have three, right? Every day. I mean, respective days we'll post in the group. The link also. You can attend that meeting and we can help you preparing a resume. We can help you how to get the calls, how to optimize your portfolio also. We can explain and we can take a separate session for the LinkedIn. So majority of the calls you are going to get from the LinkedIn. And GitHub is really, really important to showcase the projects which you have worked on. So let's say in the entire course, we are doing the 30 projects, the 20 projects, sorry, 20 projects, every information need to be stored somewhere, right? So to showcase the people. So there is a platform called GitHub. We can explain how to create the GitHub. So in real world, once you enter the industry, majority of the codes are stored in the GitHub. So you need to experience that kind of thing. We will cover that GitHub also, right? So like that is all. Any questions, guys? Any doubt?
Hi, Koti, Sanket this
Yes,
side.
yes, please.
Actually, I haven't attended all the lecture where I can see and make a decision to continue this course.
Yeah, you go to the YouTube. I think it is in the YouTube KSR database is available, or LinkedIn is available, or here in the free open session. If you go to the free session, where is this? Courses. Go to the courses. Open the datavision.com. Go to the here free sessions. In the free sessions, you can see the free one, right? Free preview. If you go here, automatically you can see the first 5 classes here.
Okay, sure. Another question I have. So, what could be the possibilities of getting job? Means, I do have the experience, and just now I have completed the Power BI class with the Santosh in our institute only, and
Mm.
I would like to learn these things also.
Mm.
So, what are the
See,
possibilities we will get the job, and what will be the scale?
what is your current experience?
I do have total 8 year of experience, and
Eight.
relevant to be, yeah, relevant to BI, you can say 3 years.
Okay. See, what we will do, sir. See, already your experience, if you ask, considered as a fresher, they will not consider as a fresher. What we
Mhm.
will do, if you are showing with the 8 years experience, for you, we'll keep the projects in a deep learning and AI, like LangChain, Llama Index, RAG model, AI agents. These are the things we'll cover. We'll show the project, and then we'll learn the business knowledge. We can explain the business knowledge of how the projects, end-to-end projects will cover. That project we can showcase in a resume. Highly, very 100% likely, 100% highly likely chances to select a resume. And minimum, pretty sure there are the very few people who are experienced working on AI agents, generative AI or deep learning. Very rare people,
Mhm.
very rarely people are available in the market. So for that, we are going to get the good package as a minimum. You can expect on your current salary, you can expect minimum 50 to 60% hike. That is one
Okay.
worst case I'm talking about. I don't want to create the wrong expectations and everything.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, I bit confused between the data engineering and data science course of your institute only.
Mm.
So,
See, both are two different topics. See, what data engineer does basically, he collects the data from various sources, and he need to clean the data. Collecting the data from various sources, he has to create the pipeline. Pipeline can be created with the help of Databricks, and then he put the data is readily. I mean, he keep the data is readily available for the analysis. What
Mhm.
AI or generative does basically, it will automate the entire process and create in the qualitative works. So now in the phase of we are the technological evolution phase, everything is migrating from repeated task to unique task. So in that moment, if you are in the process of data flow where you want to generate the data from different sources and want to create at one place, or other way around, you want to automate the process, or you want to create some qualitative work or creative work which could generate the business. That's what you have to decide.
Okay.
But as you have already experienced the storytelling, because already you're working in the BI from last 3 years, already you have an experience of storytelling. Means storytelling means you explain what is there in the data and all. You can able to explain the patterns and all. I think next you can go with the more of advanced work in terms of deep learning, understanding about the various kinds of data and explain the story, predicting the future. Then data science is the best future for you rather than going with the data engineering. Of course,
Okay.
ultimately, you can make a decision which one you need to choose.
Yeah, because I have seen that means in data engineering, you might have the good payment as compared to data science. Correct me
Not
if I'm wrong.
not really. Both are having good payment. Even if you look into the Google, like right, data science, with Gen AI, Gen AI packages for 3 years experience. Let's say 4 years experience. See here. For 4 years, they are giving the 23 according to the upgrade. Right.
Okay.
So here, I'm not saying anything right. Here you can see that. You can see that. Even if you go the different answer. If you go with the 4 years experience in data engineering, same salary. Compared to that, even slightly edge for data science only. And one more important point is that at any point of time in long run, your Databricks pipeline could be automated. Could be possible. Who does that task? With the help of AI agents, again, data scientist does the task. Our generative specialist does the task.
Hmm.
Yes, right. Now,
Yeah.
at this point, there are the large number of data engineers who have learned from last 5 years and 4 years. But Gen AI concept or AI agents, which are in the new to the market, very niche people, very niche market, very less number of people are available in the market. It is highly likely chances to get a good job.
Okay. So
Yes,
as compared to data engineer, we have the much more requirement for the data science.
exactly. But that's what I can tell from my point of view. But ultimately, you have to make a decision.
Sure,
I've
sure.
said the both pros and cons of both, but I cannot force you to join this course. Don't go to the data engineering. Anyway, you're going to join in KSR only. It doesn't matter. But ultimately, as per your experience and everything, data science is much suitable compared to the data engineering.
Okay. In this course, along with this means so let's say theoretical, and we are having the projects. What all the means is there any other subscription and all provided by KSR?
What subscription you have, sir? Your subscription is not at all required. Everything is open source. MySQL is open source. Python, deep learning, machine learning, everything you can do by using Google Colab only. Yeah, for
Okay.
example, you want to build ChatGPT, for that you need to buy the subscription. I cannot do the subscription, right? Maybe 1 month subscription is required for you to build LLM models, right? Or you want to buy this some maybe $10 or $20 cost will to buy the some tokens from the OpenAI to build the LLM models. Maybe you need to spend around 2000 rupees. That's it.
Okay. No, I
Two to
thought
three thousand.
you said right in ending we have to push the project into the AWS, something like that. So I asked this question.
That's what you can see. Maximum what time only it does, right? Maybe that is what I said. 2 to 4 thousand. That's the reason I mentioned 2 to 4
Okay. Okay.
thousand. Suppose if you
Sure.
spend $20, you will get almost 1,20,000 tokens. So for building a model, 80,000 tokens would be sufficient, right?
Mhm.
And to push only for one time, for 1 month, you can use the AWS or Azure free of cost, right? But maybe if you want to use the deployment and all, you are using some advanced version, you may cost around 2,000 rupees or 1,500, something like that. Not more than that. 4,000 rupees.
Yeah, got it, got it.